Hi everyone, welcome to my interactive video. Damn it! Hi, I'm Owen and I'm from Singapore Poly and I'm a fresh graduate pursuing in the Diploma of Digital Media. In this course means I'm both well trained in programming and design. So, in this video, you'll find out more about my skill, my contact, my portfolio, and my hobbies by clicking one of the following links. So, go on, click on any one